sunny day, Bunny stood by the window, eyes twinkling with joy. He folded a tiny paper boat, gave it a smiley face, and named it Captain Floaty. With a big leaf hat, he stepped outside and gently placed the boat in a puddle. Sail safely, he giggled, running alongside it as it twirled happily down the stream. Suddenly, the water rushed faster, pulling the boat towards a dark gutter. Bunny gasped and chased it through the splashes. Just in time, he reached out with a stick and stopped the boat. Captain Floaty shivered, its face teary, but smiling. Bunny picked it up gently and whispered, "Even paper boats